Okay, off camera you haven't seen us, but we have downloaded RetroPie. We've flashed it to this SD card using Etcher. You can get RetroPie at retropie.org/download. You can get Etcher from etcher.io. Right, SD card into the slot through the handy hole in the bottom. Plenty of room to get your finger and thumb in to get it in and out. It's really handy. That's that in. We can put the back door on. But first, we need to have a keyboard hooked up to this because we're going to do some nerdy bits and stuff. You can pop that through that little hole right there. Lets us get the cable out of the way, but let's just plug the keyboard in first. You can, of course, leave the door off to do all this if you want to. We just want to show off the sexy little hole in the back. On it goes, pop it up, let the lucky band on, boom. Right, now, powering the thing on, if we poke that cable out of the way, push it in the little slot, then there's still plenty of room to get the power cable in. It's not turning on. That's right, the new Piecade has a power button. We just give it a second, we'll see it booting up. There we go. First things first. So configuration, space, A. Select now. A actually works. So then arrow keys to navigate the menu, go down to Wi-Fi. Lovely. Connect to Wi-Fi network now. Space to select stuff here, or maybe enter. Enter works. Yeah. And there we go, you should have a list of Wi-Fi networks. We will connect to the good ship Pimoroni. Forgive me. Is this working? Yes. Okay. Wi-Fi connected, we've got an IP, we've got an SSID. Beautiful. So exit. And that will take us back to Emulation Station. So we're on Wi-Fi. Now we need to install the drivers for the Piecade hat. So F4 will take you out of Emulation Station back to the command line. We've got a handy one-line installer for this. So https://CURL https://get.pimoroni.com/Piecade hat and enter, and while this is running we will get a cup of tea. No, I am forgetting something, because if you do that you'll just get a lot of blurby text coming on your screen. It'll look like it's doing stuff it isn't. Pipe, which is your little vertical line, and then bash. Let's set that going. While it does, make a cup of tea, job's a good one. Boom. We've got still everything we need to use around to do. That's fine. Do we wish to continue? Yes, we do. And done. Alright, we're back. The main Piecade hat stuff has downloaded and finished. Awesome. So, let's get back into Emulation Station and configure our controls. So just Emulation Station, don't forget back tab completion. This is Linux, it does that, it's handy. Anyway, reload Emulation Station. Right, by default, your command to open this menu is going to be Alt. We've done some messing around, so we've changed it to H, but if you push Alt, you will get this main menu up. So, configure input. Oh no, enter isn't working for me, but A will by default. Right, now hold the button, there we go. Okay, right, okay. So, only up is working. This means we've done something wrong. We happen to know, after strenuous and painful experimentation, that it is in fact that we've got the joystick plugged the wrong way around. Now, thank you to the magic of time travel, a message will appear previously in this video letting you know that it's the wrong way around in the video. But now, if you followed along with us and didn't see that somehow, we're going to show you how to fix it. So basically, we'll power off, nice safe power off with the button, and we need to change our joystick input switch thing the other way. I'm going to be careful with this door because the cable's going through it, but basically joystick one, the one in the middle, so let's flip that, plug it back in, and then we can power back on and hopefully everything will be Jim dandy. Let's find out. It's loading, it's a good sign. Okay, that looks a lot healthier. So, Alt for you guys, because you won't have changed anything yet. Configure input. No. Of course I'm being silly. That one, yes I am. Right. Yes. Up, down, left, right. Start, select. A, B, X, Y, L, R, and then you can just hold the button down for each one of these and it will skip it. You could, if you really wanted to, plug an Xbox pad or something into this. Anything USB should work. If you're just using it without a pad, you're fine to skip these controls. Most of them anyway. We'll get to this last one. Right, hotkey enable. This will let you quit out of the games once you're in them. It's worth configuring something. We are going to use this one, which I believe is escape. It'll tell you on the inside of the panel. I apologise if I've got it wrong, but that's enter. So escape is on this side, but we have our hotkey. So let's get a game. There is a demo of Tanglewood, which is a brand new game for the Mega Drive. I believe it has just been released, so you can actually go and buy it. It's an excellent arcade platformer, but we're going to get it. You can try it yourself. If you love it, go out looking for it online and get it. I believe you can play it on this once you've bought it. Anyway, let's worry about getting the demo for now. So F4 to get back to the console, and it's in our GitHub for the Picade hat, so we need to clone that repository, beg pardon. So git clone https://github.com/pimoroni/picade-hat, not hatar. And it'll clone it, you'll get a new directory. Let's have a quick look, and there it is, Picade hat. So enter the Picade hat directory, let's have a look. ROMs. No, we want to go into the ROMs directory, silly me. Let's have a look. There we go. Right, so into Mega Drive and let's have a look. There we go. Right, copy Tanglewood bin, home, RetroPie, ROMs, Mega Drive, and there it is. It has been the Tanglewood bin file has been copied into the Mega Drive folder, so now we can restart Emulation Station. What we should see is the Mega Drive logo has appeared on the main RetroPie menu, and there it is, Tanglewood. And here we go. And there we go. Tanglewoodgame.com is your URL. They're on Kickstarter. Like I say, I believe the Kickstarter's just finished. So if you like this, support them. All right. Hopefully your Picade build has gone very smoothly. If it hasn't, if you've got any problems, if you have got any questions, there's plenty of ways you can get in touch with us. If it's something a bit quick and easy, or you just want to raise our attention to something, we are on Twitter at Pimoroni. If it's a slightly more in-depth question, there are our forums at forums.pimoroni.com. There is also our support email address, mostly which will be answered by me. So drop us an email at support@pimoroni.com and we will do exactly what we can to help. There is an awful lot of extra config stuff, tweaks that you can do with it on the RetroPie website. So if you're into that kind of thing, I urge you to go there and have a look through all the documentation. There is a lot of it. For example, you can store all your ROMs and stuff that you've got on there on a separate USB drive if you want to. Go there, have a look. The possibilities are crazy. There's a lot of different menu configs, all sorts of stuff that you can do. But most importantly, have fun with this bad boy. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And thank you very much for watching.